Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys some basic PPE that I think everybody in the construction industry should have. If you don't have some of this stuff, go ahead and save up your money, and maybe in the future you guys will be able to. That way you guys could be a little bit safer when you work. So first things first, if you work commercial, typically union, you're going to need one of these. Alright, a hard hat. If you work in areas where there's not that much light, go ahead and get a light. I do not work union, so I've never used one of these ever, okay, in any of my job sites. Again, though, but I am pro union, so if you want to get into the trades, go union. Do not go non-union. Okay, you're gonna need some boots. You want to get some with a composite toe or steel toe boots. You guys can see this is steel toe. These I've had these for about a year. I might get some new ones because these are messing up. Everything's ripping. You might not be able to tell, but here, the leather's starting to peel off right there. These aren't good boots. These aren't thorough good. These aren't Red Wings. These are regular. They're called Golden Fox boots. They've served me well. If you work in areas where you make a lot of dust, you could go ahead and get your dust respirator, or something, or should I mean a dust mask. Those regular like N95s mask, or get yourself something that's gonna last for a while. These type of masks, realistically speaking, these masks last you for up to a year. I like to get one every 6 months, and I just replace the filter. Once you use them a lot, you'll notice that the plastic on back will start getting like sticky. So that's the time to replace them. The filters could last a good while. The only thing that you should replace is these dust filters. It's just so that your actual filter over here doesn't turn black. You guys can see this is a mask that needs to get its filters and its screens replaced. But this is still a lot better than your regular painter's mask, okay? And there's no reason you should actually even get those. When you get one of these, they're a little bit more expensive. Like you get one for like 30 or 50 bucks, but this will last you a long time. Okay, when you work on areas where you make a lot of noise, any major construction job site should have that. Doesn't matter what trade you're in, whether you're in the drywall trade, painters, plumbers, electricians. You guys know that the machinery and the tools you guys use makes a lot of noise. So get some earplugs. If you have one of those big I guess that, I don't know what you call them, the ones that go over your ear and over your head, get some of those if you want. I'm fine with this, so that's what I use. They're cheap. You get them at Home Depot. All right, you need your gloves. I use Milwaukee. I'm just using this as an example. You could get some of these, maybe some thicker ones. Depending on what trade you use, maybe you want something a little bit more maneuverable, or not. I mean, maybe those Milwaukee ones you get for like 15, 20 bucks. They're pretty good. And it doesn't have to be Milwaukee. It could be any other glove. It doesn't matter. Just protect your hands. I didn't when I first started. That's why I got a bunch of calluses and stuff like that on my hands. But you know, that's just part of it. For whatever reason, now I take care of my body a little bit more. If you wear safety glasses, get them. I wear them. I just don't have any on them here, but I use this as an example. This is a respirator mask with a face shield. Okay, I use this mask whenever I'm grinding stuff that's overhead. It always goes in your eyes. This prevents it so the dust doesn't sneak into it through the glasses. It completely covers your face, and it carries respirators. Okay, important. If you're in an area where maybe you're not sanding a bunch, right, or grinding a bunch, and you're fine with safety glasses, get those. If you have prescription glasses, I like to get them from Costco, and I like to ask for that. It's stronger glass. A lot of people that shoot guns get them. That's what I use. It's only like $10 more, or it might even be free. Don't quote me on that. But there's no point in not getting them, right? It's cheaper. They're pretty much prescription glasses. You pay like 99 bucks for the test on your eyes. They tell you which ones. You pay for the glasses, and then you're done. And they're better than safety glasses. Um, you know, you could get different frames, so it doesn't matter. um that's pretty much it. It's a pretty quick, simple video. If you go underneath homes, you might get a suit. Whenever we're doing some sort of paint work that's gonna get a bunch of stain or dust or whatever on us, or lead or something like that, we always wear safety suits, and we throw them away at the end of the day. You get maybe some that are a little bit more reusable, right? Those Dicky ones, or any other brand, Cahart, doesn't matter. um, just use them once, wash them, and reuse them, right? If you're not dealing with any sort of chemical, but just a bunch of dust, you could just keep them in your truck or van and use them whenever you're going to cover yourself with a bunch of dust and dirt, and wash them maybe at the end of the week. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is basic safety right here. You guys should all have this, especially if you're in construction. Remember, go for the good stuff, not the cheap stuff. These boots cost me like 120 bucks, and they're worthwhile. Now, these aren't like Thorough Goods or Red Wings, right? 200 bucks, but for what I use them for, they're good for me. That's pretty much it, guys. Quick, simple video. Catch you guys later.